How to leave a circle on Life360. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can leave a circle on Life360, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to leave a circle on Life360, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go and launch the Life360 application that you can find here, and once you launch the Life360 app, you will see this type of interface where what you basically need to do is first of all make sure that you select the correct circle that you want to leave, because you could be a part of many circles. So once you select a certain circle you want to leave, tap on the gear icon from the top left of the screen, then go to the option called Circle Management. Once you come to the option known as Circle Management, over here at the bottom you'll find an option called Leave Circle. So now when you tap on Leave Circle, you can see tap the yes option, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully left a circle on Life360. This way you can leave a circle on Life360. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.